So, here we go. Sunday, February 5th. What is going on here now?
I had to make all this up for the shifter on the transmission. And the shifter is originally on a vehicle. That's where the shifter comes from. The travel is different than here. So I have to make a T-bar. So when I'm going to park, this one pulls up, Okay. If you have a Chevy transmission, you can go direct. But a Dodge transmission, the shifter is different. It's opposite. So this is all done now. I'll just give you a demo and you'll see how it works here. We're in park now, and with these kinds of shifters, you can't shift unless you push it over and go down. Now, see how it shifted? That's reverse. There's neutral. There's drive 2, and low.
Okay.
And when you're finished, you put it up to park to start it so it doesn't drive away on you.
So, that's taking you much of the morning here.
Yep.
What's left to do here?
I've got to...
Because I know the customer is eager to collect, but what's the last couple tasks here?
Okay, now this lever here, I have to make this bracket to mount the brake cylinder. I'll cut this off and put a threaded rod on here, and that's what activates the brake. When you push that brake down, there's a hole here underneath for a clevis.
Okay.
That pulls this lever this way and puts the fluid out of here into the caliper.
Okay.
Now, I can do this tomorrow, but I need these U-bolts here to hook up the drive shaft before I can mount the caliper.
So that's literally the last part you're looking for is
the
U-bolts?
No, and this one here is gas pedal that I have to hook up yet.
Okay, but do you have to have the parts or?
No, I gotta make stuff because you see that rod there?
Yeah.
Well, I need a bracket to hold the cable, and then an eye, and we got that done.
Okay, so I see that angle iron on the side there because you got to make clearance. You got to put that angle iron up quite a bit and weld it into place.
The reason why I'm going to put angle iron on is I don't want him fighting with that great big metal floor.
Yeah.
I'll drill and bolt this angle iron up about this high so it just clears here.
Okay.
And then I'll cut a chunk of plywood, go over here and put a D-ring on it, and a chunk of plywood for the back so he can take out this one to check the diff or to grease that U-joint or lift up that end for anything he wants to do over there, that U-joint or whatever. As that big floor is the son of a bitch to handle, and then you hit the lights. And so I talked to him about it, and he said, go ahead. I'm drilling these nuts to put power pins in so the nuts can't come loose. See if these bolts come loose. Just to stop from turning it. Like I drill through and I'll put a cotter pin in now.
Okay.
And then it can't turn. Yeah. This just drops in there. It can't fall out, So say you want to take the nut out, you just push it up and take the cotter pin out, and then you can take the nut out.
And that's just extra safety?
That just so it can't come loose, it can't turn. The nut can't come loose. Here we are.
Okay.
Now this is done. I'm going to put the hose on now. for the brake fluid. Oh, this is always a problem. The trouble is here, one Chinaman made this, another Chinaman made that, and they never got together in the factory to fit it, so you... Oh, Christ almighty. Because I ground the edge on there, so... There you go.